Hi everybody, how are you today? I am good and I am recording this new video to make a feedback about contents and activities that you have been working this week. I am going to read again the objectives, I am going to read again the reading comprehension, and I am going to explain you the activities that you have to complete in your study guides. So, let's start. Okay, now I am going to start reading the objective and then I am going to explain the activities. Primero voy a comenzar leyendo el objetivo y luego voy a explicar las actividades. And the objective says, y el objetivo dice, to develop a reading comprehension about Beth and Ben and recognize specific information. Desarrollar una comprensión lectora sobre Beth y Ben reconociendo información específica. Exercise letter A, ejercicio letra A, says, dice, look at the picture related to the reading comprehension and think what is the text about. Circle just one alternative. Observa la imagen relacionada a la comprensión lectora y piensa de qué es el texto. Encierra en un círculo la alternativa correcta. So, entonces, this is the picture, esta es la imagen, and the best option, y la mejor opción, it's letter A, es la letra A, that says, que dice, about two children at the cinema, sobre dos niños en el cine. Letter B says, la letra B dice, about two children in the park, sobre dos niños en el parque, and they aren't in the park, ellos no están en el parque. And letter C y letra C, about two children eating breakfast, sobre dos niños comiendo su desayuno. So, entonces, the correct answer is letter A. La respuesta correcta es la letra A. Let's continue with exercise letter B. Vamos a continuar con el ejercicio letra B. That says, que dice, with your family's help, read the text and answer the questions. Con la ayuda de tu familia, leer el texto y responder las preguntas. So, now I am going to start reading the text about Beth and Ben. Ahora voy a comenzar leyendo el texto sobre Beth y Ben. It says, dice, Beth and Ben are so excited because they are going to the movies today. When they arrived at the movie theater, they purchase their ticket. Next, they stand in line to buy a snack. They both get popcorn. Ben puts a lot of butter and salt on his popcorn. Beth likes her popcorn with a lot of butter. They also purchase soda and candy to eat during the movie. They pick their seats and sit down. Now they are waiting for the movie to start. They can't wait to see Billy the Flying Dog. Let's continue. Vamos a continuar with exercise letter C. Ejercicio letra C. That says, que dice, visit the following Google page and search meanings in Spanish from the words in the chart. Visitar la siguiente página de Google y buscar los significados en español de las palabras de la tabla. Wordreference.com. The first word says, la primera palabra dice, excited. Excited in Spanish means, excited en español significa emocionado o emocionada. The next word says movie. La siguiente palabra dice movie, that in Spanish means, que en español significa película. And the next word says, la siguiente palabra dice purchase. that in Spanish means, que en español significa comprar. The next word says, la siguiente palabra dice popcorn. Popcorn in Spanish means, popcorn en español significa palomitas de maíz. Palomitas de maíz. Popcorn, palomitas de maíz. And the next word says seat. La siguiente palabra dice seat, that in Spanish means, que en español significa asiento o silla. And finally, y finalmente, the word eat, la palabra eat, that means, que significa comer. So, entonces, these are the meanings in Spanish that you have to write. Estos son los significados en español que ustedes deben escribir. Let's continue with exercise letter D. Continuamos con el ejercicio letra D. That says, circle the correct alternative according to Beth and Ben in the text. Encerrar en un círculo la alternativa correcta de acuerdo al día de Beth y Ben en el texto. Question number 1. Pregunta número 1. Why are Beth and Ben excited? ¿Por qué Beth y Ben están emocionados? Letter A, letra A. Because they are going to the movies. Porque ellos van a ir a ver películas. Letter B, letra B. Because they are going to the park. Porque ellos van a ir al parque. Or maybe, o quizás, letter C, letra C. Because they are going to celebrate a birthday. Porque ellos van a celebrar un cumpleaños. Let's see the text. Vamos a ver el texto. Beth and Ben are so excited because they are going to the movies. Porque van a ir a ver películas. So, entonces, the correct answer is letter A. La respuesta correcta es la letra A. Question number 2. Pregunta número 2. What is the first thing Beth and Ben do? ¿Cuál es la primera cosa que Beth y Ben harán? Letter A, letra A. They purchase their tickets. Ellos comprarán el ticket. Letra B, they purchase soda. Ellos comprarán bebida o soda. And letter C y letra C, they play games. Ellos jugarán juegos de video. Let's see in the text. Vamos a ver en el texto. That says, que dice, when they arrived at the movie theater, they purchased their ticket. So, entonces, the correct answer is letter A. La respuesta correcta es la letra A. Ellos comprarán su ticket o su entrada. Question number 3. Pregunta número 3. How does Ben like his popcorn? ¿Cómo le gusta a Ben sus palomitas de maíz? Letter A, letra A, with a lot of sugar, con mucha azúcar. Letter B, con letra B, with a lot of butter and salt, con mucha mantequilla y sal. And letter C y letra C, with a lot of butter, con mucha mantequilla. Let's see in the text. Vamos a ver en el texto. It says, dice, Ben puts a lot of butter and salt on his popcorn. Ben puso mucha mantequilla y sal en sus palomitas de maíz. So, entonces, the correct answer is letter B. La respuesta correcta es la letra B. With a lot of butter and salt. Con mucha mantequilla y sal. Question number 4. Pregunta número 4. How does Beth like her popcorn? ¿Cómo le gusta a Beth sus palomitas de maíz? Letter A, letra A. with a lot of sugar, con mucha azúcar, with a lot of butter, con mucha mantequilla, or letter C o letra C, she doesn't like popcorn. A ella no le gustan las palomitas de maíz. Let's see in the text. Vamos a ver en el texto. It says, dice, Beth liked her popcorn with a lot of butter, con mucha mantequilla. So, entonces, the correct answer is letter B. La respuesta correcta es la letra B, with a lot of butter, con mucha mantequilla. Question number 5, pregunta número 5. What other snack do they bought? ¿Qué otros bocadillos ellos compraron? Letter A, letra A, soda and hot dog. Soda y hot dog. Letter B, letra B, soda o bebida and water y agua. And letter C y letra C, soda and candies. Soda y dulces. Let's see in the text. Vamos a ver en el texto. It says, dice, they also purchased soda and candy. Ellos también compraron bebida o soda y dulces. So, entonces, the correct answer is letter C. La respuesta correcta es la letra C. Finally, question number 6, pregunta número 6, says, dice, what is the name of the movie that they are going to see? ¿Cuál es el nombre de la película que ellos verán? Letter A, letra A, Billy the Flying Dog, Billy el perro volador. Letter B, letra B, Billy, or letter C, the dog, el perro. Let's see, vamos a ver. They can't wait to see, ellos no pueden esperar para ver Billy the Flying Dog, Billy el perro volador. So, entonces, the correct answer is letter A. La respuesta correcta es la letra A. Billy the Flying Dog, Billy el perro volador. So, these are the activities that you have to complete in your study guide. Entonces, estos son las actividades que ustedes deben completar en su guía de estudio. Okay, dear students, that is all for today. If you have questions, you can send me an email. See you the next class. Bye bye.